single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Diary of Tibe. My name is Tia. If you like the video, you could like the video. If you don't like the video, you could dislike the video. Please share, comment, and subscribe my channel. Halo semua, selamat datang di channel YouTube saya Diary of Tibe. Nama saya Tia. Apabila kalian menyukainya, silahkan like. Apabila tidak menyukai video ini, silahkan di dislike. Tolong di share, di komen, dan jangan lupa di subscribe. Okay guys, for you who are new viewers in my channel, welcome to my channel. Please enjoy my video and don't forget to subscribe. For you who already been existing viewers but you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And for you who already subscribed my channel, thank you very much for your support. It really meant for me. Bagi kalian yang baru di channel saya, selamat datang. Silahkan menikmati video-video yang ada di channel saya. Jangan lupa di subscribe ya. Bagi kalian yang memang sudah sering nonton channel saya tapi belum subscribe, tolong juga juga di subscribe karena kan ini kan gratis ya. Oke, dan buat kalian yang memang sudah subscribe, terima kasih atas dukungannya karena itu sangat berarti buat saya. Oke, Sagittarius. I'm going to read love reading Sagittarius. I just on process to upload Sagittarius general reading. I'm going to read love reading right now. Oke, Sagittarius, sekarang saya mau reading tentang percintaan kalian. Untuk general reading kalian sedang diproses untuk diupload di YouTube. Jadi tunggu sampai tayang ya. Oke, Sagittarius. Capek sebenarnya. Disclaimer, okay, I don't read in reverse card. I don't take the card randomly from the deck. I only take the jumping card when I shuffle the deck. Okay, saya di sini tidak membaca kartu terbalik. Saya di sini tidak mengambil secara acak dari tumpukan kartu. Saya hanya mengambil kartu yang hanya lompat saat saya shuffle. Okay. This is a general reading. It's a love reading. It's also a fun reading. So it could be your energy that I try to read, or maybe this is your person energy. Because I collected many random energy from several of different people, so it could resonate with you or it could not resonate with you. Just take out what resonates with you, yeah. Because energy is vice versa and interchangeable. And if it's not resonate, please check your sun, moon, rising, and Venus sign. But still, if it's not resonate, maybe the reading is not for you. Oke guys, readingan ini, bacaan ini sifatnya umum dan hanya untuk seru-seruan aja, dan ini jelas bacaan tentang percintaan ya. Dan saya bisa yang terbaca ini bisa energi kamu atau bisa energi orang yang sedang dekat sama kamu, karena energi itu sifatnya vice versa atau terbulak dan terbalik, jadi bisa nyambung, bisa juga nggak nyambung dengan situasi kamu. Jadi disesuaikan saja bacaan ini dengan situasi kamu yang ada. Apabila tetap tidak nyambung, tolong cek Sun, Moon, Rising, dan Venusnya kalian. Apabila tetap tidak nyambung juga, berarti bacaan ini bukan untuk kamu. Oke guys, oke, Sagittarius, love reading. I will grab it first. Kita can do sini first. Sign. What will happen with Sagittarius people during this August 2021? Okay. Dear God, angels, universe, divine power, archangel, spirit guide, what that God, guide angel, please give me a sign. What will happen with Sagittarius people during this August 2021? Dear God, angels, universe, divine power. Banyak banget yang kuat. Divine power. Archangels, what my God, guardian angel. Please give me a sign what will happen with Sagittarius people during this August 2020. Bad card, the devil. Gosh. Dear God, angels, universe, divine power, archangel, spirit, guide. White light card, guardian angel, please give me a sign what will happen with Sagittarius people during this August 2021 regarding about their love life. Dear God, angels, universe, divine power, archangel, spirit, light, guardian angel, please give me a sign. What will happen with Sagittarius people during this August 2021? Dear God, angels, universe, divine power, archangel, spirit, guide, white light, God, guardian angel. Please give me a sign what will happen. Okay. Alright. Bottom of the deck is the Tower. Gosh. What's going on with you guys? Grr. Okay, hold on. Alright. Sorry, I'm quite sleepy because it's 4 a.m. in the morning and I haven't slept yet. Okay, Sagittarius, let's get started. First card, you got the devil. Oh, shit. First card, always not really good. Gosh, the energy is so heavy for me, seriously. That's why after I finish reading your general reading, Sagittarius, I feel like, oh my god, this is so heavy, and I haven't meditated yet because it's quite fast. Yeah, after I've done the general reading, I just take a break like a couple of minutes, and after that I just continue with the love reading of the Sagittarius. Gila, ini energinya berat banget nih, sumpah. Gua ngos-ngosan bro, habis selesai bacain general readingnya Sagittarius. Dan aku memang tadi nggak meditasi, langsung aja. Jadi setelah baca general reading, cuma nunggu beberapa menit, langsung lanjut ke love reading Sagittarius. Dan ini berat banget, sumpah. Okay, there are two scenarios, Sagittarius. First scenario, you dealing with a person who are have some kind, like they have obsession. Maybe they have obsession to you, and they try to make some kind like bondage between you and them, like a deepened bonds, and it cannot break through. or maybe they bond, they make the bond with devil. Black Magic, another Black Magic series. Oh, shit. Okay. Or yeah, this person. The second scenario is this person. The first scenario is this person have kind of like obsession. Maybe they have obsession on you. The second scenario is this person using a black magic to you. How? Why? I don't know. Probably because they don't want to let you go. No matter what kind of circumstances is this, maybe this is about love, work life, or personal life. I don't know. But this person, if it's about other person, this person is quite toxic, and I think you need to let it go of this person, Sagittarius. Di sini Sagittarius ada dua skenario lagi nih, dua skenario yang lain ya. Banyak sekali ada dua skenario. Apabila ini berhubungan sama kamu, kamu punya obsesi, entah obsesi tentang apa, tapi apabila berhubungan sama orang ini juga ada dua skenario lagi. Skenario pertama, orang ini mungkin punya obsesi, mungkin dia punya obsesi terhadap kamu, dia terobsesi sama kamu. Atau skenario kedua, dia memakai dukun, karena the devil kan sama dengan 11-12 dengan ilmu hitam dan dukun kan. Kayaknya dia ngedukunin kamu, nggak tahu nih alasannya apa. Mungkin orang ini sirik sama kamu, atau mungkin orang ini sakit hati sama kamu, atau mungkin orang ini karena dia toksik, akhirnya kamu mencoba untuk lepas dari dia, tapi dia nggak mau melepaskan kamu. Akhirnya kamu diikat secara goib, jadi kamu nggak bisa kemana-mana, kamu nggak bisa pergi sama orang kamu nggak bisa berhubungan sama orang lain. Setiap kali kamu berhubungan sama orang baru, ujungnya bubar sama orang baru, dan ujung-ujungnya kamu akan sama orang lama ini, ya. Or like I said, that scenario that I mentioned before, it's about the other person. Yeah, first of all, they have obsession. Maybe they have some kind of like obsession on you, or maybe this person using a black magic, because the devil have a similar and related with black magic, right? Why this person doing that to you? Maybe they have some kind of like heartache with you. Maybe you hurt them before, you hurt their feelings before, either in purpose or either in accidentally. Or this person, maybe they don't want to let you go because they know you try to move on from them, because you actually notice the relationship, it's quite toxic. That's why you try to move on from this person, and this person cannot let you go. Maybe they have some kind of like obsession with you. That's why they put a spell on you, so you cannot go anywhere with new people. Okay, but if it's about you, you maybe have some kind of like obsession. I don't know what kind of obsession you have. Only you know what kind of obsession. Only you know what kind of obsession that you might have. But this card, second card, okay, you got the healing card. Wow, in your general reading, this healing card is pop out, and this in your love reading, this healing card also pop out. It means you need to be healing. Okay, you need some kind of healing stuff. You need to do some kind of like healing stuff. Meditate, do some prayers or whatever. Just do some healing. Because why? Because you try to get out from the toxicity in your life. I don't know what kind of toxicity in your life, maybe, but in my intuition, I think it's all about love, I guess. Yeah, because this person using some kind of like black magic on you, and this person also a toxic person because they have some kind of like obsession on you. That's why you move on, and you try to heal yourself. Sini kartu healing keluar lagi. Tadi di general reading kalian kartu ini keluar lagi, keluar juga di kartu healing, kartu Four of Swords. Sekarang di love reading kalian juga keluar juga. Berarti emang benar-benar Sagittarius, kamu butuh yang namanya healing. Healingnya lewat apa? Meditasi ataupun berdoa. Kenapa kalian healing? Mungkin kalian baru saja keluar dari situasi yang toksik. Ya gimana nggak toksik? Orang ini ngedeketin kamu, orang ini punya semacam obsesi sama kamu, jelas toksik kan? Dan kamu menyadari itu, menyadari toksisitas, menyadari toksisiti orang ini. Makanya karena kamu menyadari orang itu nggak baik buat kamu, makanya akhirnya kamu healing. Entah apa ya yang diperlakukan orang ini sama kamu, tapi orang ini nggak baik sama kamu sih. Pada akhirnya ketahuan orang ini nggak baik buat kamu. This card has it's related one to another. Okay. First of all, this person act like the Page of Pentacles. They just give less to you, but nearly in the future, they will transform to be a King of Pentacles. From Page to King, it's quite big transformation for them. Why they do this transformation? Because they don't want to lose you. They want to get you back, and they know you already healed. That's why they try to be the best version of them too, maybe. Oke, di sini kartu pertama ada Page of Pentacles, tapi kartu ketiga ada Page of Pentacles, kartu keempat ada King of Pentacles. Ini dua kartu ini sangat berhubungan satu dengan lainnya. Oke, sorry. Page of Pentacles ini tipikal orang yang memberikan sedikit, karena orang ini mungkin entah dia childish atau memang dia mungkin gini, dia lebih muda dari kamu, tapi kalau memang dia ternyata seumuran sama kamu atau lebih tua dari kamu, dia tuh childish dan dia tuh agak pelit untuk ngasih ke kamu. Iya, either ngasih apapun, ngasih uang, ngasih perhatian, ngasih cinta, apapun itu, dia tuh kayak setengah-setengah gitu loh. Tapi akhirnya orang ini bertransformasi dari seorang Page menjadi seorang King. Ini transformasi yang cukup besar loh. Dan seorang King Pentacles ini tipikal orang yang dia udah matang secara sikap, secara karakter, dia udah kuat, dan dia udah stabil secara finansial juga. Emosinya stabil, finansialnya stabil. This King of Pentacles already grounded and already have a stable emotional state of mind, sorry. And this King of Pentacles also have a stable financially stable life. That's why I'm telling you before that this person have a huge transformation on them. Why they have a huge transformation? Because they want to get you back. Kenapa orang ini ada transformasi di dalam dirinya? Yang tadinya dia adalah seorang Page yang sifatnya mungkin kekanak-kanakan, tapi tiba-tiba dia menjadi seorang King, ya karena dia sadar dia telah kehilangan kamu dan dia tahu kamu udah healing, dan dia tuh nggak pengen kamu pergi. Dia tuh berusaha untuk mendapatkan kamu kembali, mengejar kamu kembali. Kenapa? Karena dia tahu kamu baik. Kamu punya kualitas yang bagus gitu. Ya, you may dealing with a person at first, maybe they more younger than you, or even though they are in the same age like you, or maybe they are older than you, they have a childish state of mind. That's why when you're gone and when you already healed, healing, it means you already gone, from this person's life. When they notice that you already gone from their life, they will do a quite big transformation from Page to King. From not giving you much, they just giving you less, they will give you more. Not from not stable person, they try to transform to be more stable person. Why? Because they know you already gone, you already healed, and they want you to get back on them, to get back with them. That's why they do some kind like big transformation with themselves. Well, actually, At first, it's quite toxic, but in the end, quite good, positive. Okay, the fifth card, it's Eight of Wands. You will get hearing, you will get news from them, you will get something about them, you will get hear something about them, or they will contact you nearly in the future, because Eight of Wands is a communication card. Di sini nih ada kartu Eight of Wands. Di sini adalah Eight of Wands itu adalah kartu komunikasi. Kamu akan dalam waktu dekat akan mendengar berita tentang mantan kamu yang toksik ini nih, atau mata kamu langsung yang akan menghubungi kamu. Kita lihat saja situasinya gimana. Mungkin kalian di sini mungkin belum putus ya, mungkin belum putus. Mungkin kalian break, atau mungkin ada yang ghosting, mungkin ya. Atau ya, maybe in this situation, maybe you haven't, even though you move on, but maybe you're not done yet with this person. But maybe you moved on. How? Maybe you just ghosting them. Maybe you left them just like that, without any closure. Okay? Because I don't see any breakup card in here. No, there's no any breakup, there's no any broken hearted. Di sini aku nggak lihat ada kartu putus ya, nggak ada kartu orang patah hati. Okay, but this thing, why you need to heal, yeah, because you get the Tower moment. The Tower, something came up in your life. It could be from external side, or it could be from your internal side. Yeah. Maybe from external side, maybe there is something happen between you and your person, and makes you feel like, whoa, this is too much, I'm just fed up with you, and makes you feel so hurt. But maybe if it's talking about the internal side, you maybe suddenly have some kind like realization that you're dealing with a wrong person, with a toxic person. You have that kind of realization about that. Finally, in the end, you realize that you've been dating with the wrong person. Maybe. Okay? It's quite maybe. Di sini ada kalau The Tower, ini ada dua skenario juga. The Tower ini ada sesuatu hal yang terjadi sama kalian dan di hubungan kalian. Ini bisa dari faktor eksternal, bisa juga dari faktor internal. Apabila faktor eksternal, mungkin ada sesuatu yang terjadi yang membuat kalian itu sakit hati. Ya mungkin pasangan kalian selingkuh atau apapun itu ya, tapi intinya ada sesuatu hal yang terjadi dari pihak luar yang membuat kalian tuh cukup kecewa. Tapi bisa juga ini sesuatu yang terjadi ini adalah sesuatu yang terjadi dari dalam diri kalian sendiri. Apakah itu mungkin kalian pada akhirnya menyadari bahwa kalian telah berkencan atau telah menjalin hubungan dengan orang yang salah. Pada akhirnya entah kenapa, nggak ada hujan nggak ada angin, tiba-tiba kalian punya pemikiran kayak gitu loh. Ya pemikiran itu datang dari siapa? Dari Tuhan lah, dari Tuhan dan dari semesta. Jadi Tuhan yang semesta itu menyadarkan kalian, hey Sagittarius, kamu tuh selama ini telah pacaran, telah berhubungan sama orang yang salah. Udahlah, tinggalin tuh orang. Mungkin kalian kayak semacam tiba-tiba kayak punya pemikiran kayak gitu, dan akhirnya kalian move on dan healing gitu loh guys. Okay, I'm going to clarify it with Oracle card. I'm using Romance Angel Oracle card. Okay, dear God, angels, universe, divine power, spirit guide, what better guardian angel, please give me a sign. What will happen with Sagittarius people during this August 2021 regarding about their love life? Dear God, angels, universe, divine power, archangel, spirit guide, white light God, guardian angel, please give me a sign. What will happen with Sagittarius people during this August 2021 regarding about their love life? Dear God, angels, dear God, angels, universe, divine power, archangel, spirit, guide, white light God, guardian angel, please give me a sign what will happen. Waduh, the wedding. Okay. Even though there are too many cards flip out, but only this wedding card is open. The other is flip out. It's like that. Dear God, angel. Dear God, angels, universe, divine power, archangel, spirit, guide, white light God, guardian angel. Okay. Please give me a sign about what happened with banyak banget with Sagittarius people during this August 2000 and 21 regarding what their love life. Okay, you got 5 card, bottom of the deck, attraction. Anyway, Basway. Anyway, I'm sorry. I think I'm just mentioning about the previous person, your past person, but I think there are, suddenly in my mind, it just came up, another new scenario. Okay, the new scenario is, you might dealing with two people. First card, the Page of Pentacles, is about your ex, who act very childish, and the other new person you could dealing with, King of Pentacles. This new person is quite stable, more stable than your past person, and this communication card, it could be from the new person. Yeah. Suddenly that new scenario just pop up in my head. Yes. So because of general love reading, so it could be any kind of situation that might happen. Okay. Okay, hold on. Finance, career, release your ex. Yeah, because suddenly that new scenario came up into my head, because when I saw this card, release your ex. So this is not talking about your ex. Yeah. Alright, Sagittarius, first card, finance and career. Same like your general reading. Financial issue are a factor in your love life financial issues are a factor in your love life right now. This toxic situation came up. Maybe this is all about the financial issue that you might have with that person, with your past person. Doesn't matter that financial issue came up from your side, or maybe it came up from your partner's side, or maybe it came up from both sides, you and your partner. Why? Maybe because of the pandemics, it just give like side effect to your love life, and that makes this financial issue became a huge matters in your previous relationship. Well. Di sini ada kartu financial issue. Ini nyambung nih sama yang tadi general reading. General reading juga ada ketakutan soal uang kan. Ada masalah dengan keuangan. Okay, so you have to read the general reading too, Sagittarius. Kamu harus nonton yang general readingnya kalian ya. Nyambung soalnya kartunya. Di sini ada kartu masalah keuangan dan karir. Entah kamu yang ada masalah dengan keuangan dan karir, atau entah pasangan kamu yang kayak gitu, atau kalian berdua yang kayak gitu mengalami hal yang sama, bermasalah dengan karir dan finansial. Kenapa? Mungkin karena side effect atau efek buruk dari pandemi kali ya. Jadi berdampak kepada hubungan kalian. Nah, karena ada ketakutan, ada masalah dengan finansial dan karir, mungkin karir dan finansial kalian ya berantakan. Ya karena kalau karir berantakan, otomatis itu akan mempengaruhi ke finansial dong. Nah, karena karir kalian berantakan, akhirnya mempengaruhi finansial kalian, dan ujungnya kalian jadi uring-uringan. Ini kalau memang kalian berdua mengalami hal yang kayak gitu ya. Tapi kalau salah satu dari kalian yang mengalami hal itu, nah orang yang mengalami ini, yang mengalami masalah dengan karir dan finansial ini, ujungnya uring-uringan. Ujungnya uring-uringan, akhirnya cari masalah sama pasangannya. Akhirnya berantem, ya mungkin ujung-ujungnya KDRT gitu. Okay? Yeah, because there are some kind like financial matters in your love life. Maybe if this happened only with one side, with one of you, either you or your person, these financial matters just make them not stable, make them quite easy to get mad, make them like some kind like mood swing, have a mood swing. They became such a moody, and when they got moody, when they got a mood swing, they got a bad mood, they try to making any problems with you. They're making problems with you. They're doing some trouble and make you pissed, and then you guys fighting, and boom. Maybe after the fight, maybe there are also some kind like domestic violence, I don't know, and that's why in the end you realize this person is a toxic person, and you end up the relationship just like that. Boom, you cut it off, you moved on, and you heal. Maybe this is the issue, the main issue: financial matters and career. The problem came from that. Okay, right. Second card, release your ex. The time has come to clear your energy. Yes, Sagittarius, you need to release your ex. Why? Because your ex such a toxic. If you want to attract new person, better person, then you must release your ex, your toxic ex. Okay? Di sini kalian harus melepaskan pasangan kalian, mantan kalian. Melepaskan dalam arti bukan hanya meninggalkan saja ya, tapi secara batin, secara rasa kalian harus udah lepasin aja gitu loh, dibuang aja, jangan diingat-ingat lagi. Kenapa? Kalau kalian ingin menarik orang baru yang memang lebih baik ke dalam hidup kalian, kalian harus melepas energi negatif itu. Kalian harus melepas mantan kalian gitu, biar energi kalian clear, dan otomatis kalau energi kalian clear, energi kalian yang clear itu dan positif itu akan menarik orang baru yang lebih baik ke dalam hidup kalian. Gitu maksudnya. Okay, third card is passion. Allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. Yes, you and this new person have some kind like passion. You guys have a passion in the same equal level. Kamu dan pasangan baru kalian tuh kayaknya punya hasrat yang sama, dan hasrat yang setipe, selevel, setingkat. Jadi nggak ada tuh yang satu hyper, yang satu pasif, nggak gitu, sama-sama gitu loh. Ya kalau dua-duanya satunya hyper ya satunya lagi juga hyper, jadi sama-sama gitu. Oke. Great, congratulations Sagittarius. Finally, you end up in wedding with your new person. Hooray! Congratulations. Pada akhirnya kalian bukan hanya punya hasrat yang sama, tapi orang ini memang beneran baik dan orang ini memang beneran ngajakin kalian serius, orang baru ini, dan ujungnya kalian tuh menikah sama orang ini. Selamat Sagittarius, akhirnya menikah. Yay, I heard some wedding bell. Akhirnya gue mendengar juga bunyi bel pernikahan itu. And the fifth card is honeymoon. Enjoy the bliss of holiday time together. Yes, after the wedding, yeah, of course, you will get honeymoon with your partner, right? Ya, apalagi selain untuk bulan madu ini ya kalian kan harus nikah dulu, ya kan? Kalian harus nikah dulu, akan ada pernikahan. Waktu ada pernikahan, baru nanti kalian akan honeymoon bulan madu. Dan nanti saat bulan madu itu kalian akan jadi makin intens, makin dekat, makin tahu satu sama lain, lebih mengenal satu sama lain gitu. When this honeymoon happen, it will makes your bonds deepen with your partner. So you guys could know each other one to another. You could being more intense with the relationship, something like that, and the relationship is getting more heater. Yeah, the love flame is here. Alright, good. Okay, besides passion, Sagittarius, you also get attraction with your new partner. You attract romantic love by enjoying this moment fully. Ya, selain passion, selain hasrat, kalian juga punya ketertarikan satu dengan yang lain. Jadi intinya sama-sama naksir gitu. Jadi nggak ada istilahnya yang satu naksir, yang satu nggak gitu. Jadi kalian tuh sama-sama naksir, sama-sama suka, sama-sama ada ketertarikan satu sama lain di awal perkenalan kalian. Dan setelah dijalanin lagi, hubungannya lebih dalam, kalian ternyata punya hasrat yang sama. Makanya kenapa kalian bisa nikah dan bulan madu, yaitu karena kalian punya hasrat dan ketertarikan yang selevel. Gitulah Sagittarius. Oke, Sagittarius, saya rasa cukup sampai di sini. Jangan lupa untuk subscribe, like, comment, and share ya. Dan kita ketemu bulan depan di readingan selanjutnya. Oke, Sagittarius, I guess that's it for now. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment my video. I'll see you next month in the next reading, Sagittarius. Okay, bye.